Jerry Humphrey. I lived here for 36 years. Well, as you can see, I love my fishing. These are my citations. These are my fishing rods, all my stuff over here. I enjoy the water. I love swimming. Just an outdoor guy. Okay, I've held a world record snowy grouper 10 years ago out in the Norfolk Canyon with 68 pounds. I've got trophies up here for a 16.5-pound tautog up here with the pictures, trophies, and just all out big time fisher guy. Actually, I'm an old friend of Scott's. I met Scott when Scott opened up his business years and years ago, and I've stayed friends with him, fished with him. He's done all my work when I moved in this estate, my fences, my decks, etc. And now I've got a pool, and of course I'm going to use Scott right over here. We love our new pool. You know, right off the back deck, right into it. The light features are wonderful at night. The heater, must-have heater. Whoever's getting these pools, you've got to have a must-have heater. It's definitely the go-to thing to have. We love it. Construction went as well. It took a while, but we had patience. Everybody was on board, and we're all finished up, and you know, can't wait to enjoy the whole summer. It was very simple and easy. And by the way, we also purchased the Polaris bottom cleaner, so I'm not out here cleaning pools. Like I said, I didn't buy a pool to clean it. I bought a pool to go swimming in it. A very good process, very, very good. Simple and easy, low stress. We've had just a few friends come over now because you know, the backyard, you know, and all that with the construction of the pool, we're getting it going. But yes, we've had some friends over. They love it. Couple nice cookouts. The outdoor kitchen is a must. Everything's just lovely. I certainly would recommend Solid Structures to friends and family. A job well done.